Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by selecting a destination now, plug in an external drive or map a network share, making sure it has at least one. 5 times your data. Once connected, open Settings Update and Security Backup. Choose Add a Drive for file history or open Control Panel to create a system image for full recovery. Make sure the drive is NTFS. Otherwise, Windows may restrict permissions. This first step prevents partial backups and guarantees you can restore Windows and personal files later. Once the destination is ready, configure what to back up and why. Open File History, click More Options, then add or remove folders, include documents, desktop, pictures, and any custom folders you rely on. Set the backup frequency to balance granularity versus storage, every 10 minutes for active work or once daily for general use. Make sure retention keeps versions for at least 1 month. If you need full OS recovery, create a system image now so you can restore Windows exactly as it was. Start the backup immediately and watch progress. Click Backup Now for file history or begin the system image creation. Once complete, verify integrity by restoring a single file to a different location and open it to confirm readability. If the restore fails, check the destination drive for errors using chkdsk, confirm you have NTFS and correct permissions, and ensure Windows backup and file history services are running. If problems persist, disconnect and reconnect the drive, then retry the backup.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.